End of Unit Project Guideline. How to do your project on Canva.com. This week, you will do your end of unit project online on Canva.com. In this video, you will see and learn how to do your end of unit project step by step. Watch the video carefully. Don't forget to pause or rewind whenever you need. Step 1. Go to your Google Classroom. Step 2. Click on the End of Unit post in Assignments section. Step 3. Click on the Canva link. Step 4. You'll see the Canva template. Click on the Use Template. Step 5. You can click on any area you want to edit. Then double-click on the text to type your own. Step 7. You can do the same for other areas to type your own text. Step 8. To change the picture, you can double-click on the picture area. Then you can click on the Uploads. Step 10. Click on the Upload Media. Step 11. Select any photo you had already saved on your computer. Step 12. Once you selected, you will see your selected photo here. Step 13. You can drag and drop the picture as you see here. So easy. Enjoy your task. And good luck!